Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of a team. Dude, who buys a Lego popcorn stand? There's so much cool stuff out there and you buy the Lego popcorn stand?
Well, build it. This is how you deassemble the Legos.
Wow.
You just throw them through a blender.
It didn't really mess them up either.
There you got your kids' Legos laying around. You're tired of them being built and whatnot, you know.
There he goes.
Oh, wow. Very nice.
Everything is awesome.
Did your roommate just finish building the Millennium Falcon set? Take it apart quickly with this easy hack. Relax, guys. It's just a prank. Happy April Fools! It helps to replace your bad habits with other habits when trying to quit. So stop eating sugar and start doing the do.
I'm so frustrated with this Mountain Dew. It keeps getting me fat.
I like how he's doing the same pose Mickey Mouse is doing.
Oh, but there's another one. I'm just gonna drink it because it's my way as an American. Whoa, dude, he's mainlining it. Gotta get his Dew fast.
He's a fiend for the Dew.
Don't let the frat kids see this. They might try it.
Dude, that's not a bad way to
Right?
chug.
Just come
It
up with
wouldn't come
a...
out very fast.
Yeah, what? You put it in the bottom and you get a thicker, like we could make, dude, I think we're onto something.
I think we are.
You guys know what to do. We're gonna patent it.
Rotten bananas are gross. I would rather eat paint.
Hey, is he gonna spray paint a banana? All right, this banana's really brown and bruised like Karen after she took the kids. So what are we gonna do? We're just gonna grab our paint. This is what we did for Karen too. Just grab a little bit of paint, put some
Little bit
paint
of
on the
makeup.
bar.
It looks like mustard.
It does. It looks like really like not real cheese. Like you can tell cheese isn't real if it looks like that.
Yeah.
And nacho cheese is horrible.
That
It's like ballpark
That looks
nacho
like
cheese.
bananas in like movies or
Yeah.
like cartoons. They're super
Banana?
yellow.
Now was that necessary?
Banana.
And they're also watching Rick and Morty in the background. You guys can't hear that, but they are watching Rick and Morty in the background.
Chris, you want to take some notes?
Yeah, I guess so.
Well,
I mean,
you don't have a notepad. Go get your notepad.
what's he doing?
Note to self, if I don't have a hole puncher, a power drill will work just fine.
Oh, this is
Oh,
smart.
I
This
see
is
what he's
smart.
doing.
Oh, he's gonna put little binder clips.
That's cute.
Oh, dude, it looks like Blue's Clues notepad. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder what's inside.
I said it wrong.
Wonder who it's from.
I wanted
Thought it
to
was
say
Wonder Who It's From.
It is
Yeah.
Wonder Who it's from, but I wanted to say it weird to just throw you guys off and it worked.
Yeah.
You
Ah,
freaking...
some people just want to watch the world burn. Tic Tacs, the snack that smiles back. Tic Tac.
Naked.
I'm naked.
We're all naked.
We were all born naked. Oh, this is smart. Actually, I've seen this before, but we have these things that look like Tic Tac, but they actually are made for this.
What is it?
It's like these plastic things. You can buy them at Walmart, and we blend up real fruit and then put in some juice and make a popsicle.
Oh, that is smart.
They're really good, especially if you got some kiwis in there.
Oh yeah, you like kiwis?
I love kiwi.
Some kiwis in there.
What else do you like?
He says it's not very good. What juice did he use?
Naked juice.
Yeah, because naked sucks. It literally tastes like you're drinking like poop.
Oh, how dare you?
Fun fact, you can make 12 of these in the same amount of time with an ice tray. Life hack? Hacked! When a hacked wizard reaches a high enough level, he summons the chainsaw spell. It's useful for defeating basketballs.
It's weird how saw and ball rhyme. Chainsaw, basketball.
Chainsaw basketball.
Chainsaw, basketball. You got chainsaw, you got basketball, you got good time. All right. Oh, this guy's basketball career's over, and he's mad about it.
Not the Spalding.
Oh, that was dumb. What did you think was gonna happen?
What is that gonna do?
I guess hold
Okay.
it, but it's a chainsaw. It's gonna cut through it.
Yep.
Dude, these guys are really dumb.
More
What do you
tape.
mean?
There you go. You figured it out.
Mm-hmm.
That would've bounced better than ever.
Dude, look, it's Tom Brady.
Hey, you can't make that joke.
Yeah, I can. I'm a Patriots fan. Gotta catch 'em all.
Naruto Uzumaki.
Will your Pikachu not come out of its Pokeball? Well, there's only one way to get it out. Smoke it out like the FBI does to criminals.
Ladies and gentlemen,
We got him. Smoke's not anywhere near.
Okay.
All right. Oh, wow. That's definitely not. Yeah, oh, Pika! Wow. He's out
so
now.
happy. He's awake.
Pikachu, use flamethrower! Live action Sid looks much older than I thought.
We're not aiming for the truck, Woody. To infinity and beyond. I'm seeing no signs of intelligent life anywhere.
Keep going.
Dude, this is straight out of the movie, though. Did you guys see the trailer for the fourth one?
I have not.
I'm excited. I cried on the third one.
Oh my gosh.
Well, I mean, it's like your childhood's over and... Look at Buzz going. Buzz, no!
We've made it to our destination.
Zurg got him. He's a pretty champ. Like, look at him. He stood up to that pretty well.
He's going again.
He's always so happy.
I forget who plays him. Who voiced him?
Woody plays with him.
I saw the voice actor for Naruto on
It's
the
an old
Instagram
lady.
feed, and I was like, eh.
Tendies. I love Tendies. Chicken tenders.
Yes.
My mommy never makes me chicken tendies anymore.
rest
She's
my
always
case.
hanging out with Chad. Stupid Stacy.
I hate Chad.
You guys get these references?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
It's just making sure. You guys don't go on 4chan like me. I'm better than you in every way possible. Why is he using a stick when he has a lighter? Why not just use the lighter? Oh, he's got to get down in there.
Oh.
Oh. That chicken tender don't want to go. He going crazy.
Whoa,
Oh.
that was graphic. Dude, you know it took him so long to find that one chicken tender out there. Everybody press F in the chat to pay respects for that chicken tender.
Ah, nothing cooks a chicken tender like a bottle rocket. I don't know what Elmo did to deserve this, but I guess life's tough out on the Sesame Streets. I'll see myself out.
Everybody knows Elmo is a gangster.
La 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 la, Elmo's
All
world.
this stuff is a front for Elmo's.
Oh, poor Elmo.
This is what Elmo really looks like.
Oh, now he looks like demonic. He
When the
looks like
party's over.
he looks like Ellie. Was it Billie Eilish?
When the party's over?
Yeah. Oh, Elmo, no.
Elmo having a nightmare. La 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 la.
If you believe in Toy Story, this is pretty graphic. What if they're just watching the other toys and just, oh god, these sick guys. They blew up Buzz. They lit Elmo on fire.
Any one of us could be next.
Cartoons these days don't have enough anvils and fireworks. Don't worry though, we got you covered.
Oh, dude, this looks like something straight out of Roadrunner.
Roadrunner?
Oh, they're gonna try and fly.
That's a huge lighter.
All right, here we go. I don't even think these are flyers.
Meep, meep.
Oh yeah, they are.
Dude, that was the coolest thing I've ever seen. Take the anvil off the table now.
Wow, it would have worked if you had a denim all at the same time.
The anvil's power is too strong.
His power level, what is it?
It's over 9,000.
Can't get all the sour cream out of that disgustingly squeezable bottle? Empty that bad boy out now.
All right, sour cream.
Sour cream.
Doop doop a dollop a daisy.
I've never seen it in that container.
Yeah, I've never seen it like squeezable.
It
sour
looks
cream.
like what's it called? Sunscreen.
Oh.
Somebody got wet.
Yeah. Just do it.
That's
what
me
it is.
after I came back from Bible camp and I was there for a week and it was just like, you guys get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I had to
Dude,
smash
the
my
pimples you
sour
get in
cream.
Bible camp. The pimples in Bible camp, man.
You had to smash
No,
yours.
I was talking about.
Oh, okay.
Why play darts when you can play rocket darts?
What if you attached a firework to a dart and then threw it and then it like
I think that's probably what's about to happen.
he's about to throw it?
All right, this guy, he's been practicing at darts. He's got a big competition
God.
coming, but he's just not good. Darn. What's he gonna do? He's gonna put a firework on a dart.
How'd he get a bullseye?
Wow, that worked.
Wow. Whoa.
Oh my gosh, I can't watch this.
This is cringe. All of this is cringe. All of this is cringe. Why was this left in? Very professional looking.
It's important to note this hack only works with Nerf footballs because they're safer.
Speaking of the world burning, they're gonna flex seal football for some reason. That's a good segue, but they probably won't use it because the hacks are never in the order we record them. All right.
That actually looks pretty dope.
All right. They're gonna play with it.
No, they won't.
Hot potato, hot
Potato, hot potato, hot potato.
Hot potato, potato, potato.
Oh, he's a winner.
potato. Cold spaghetti, cold
Dude,
spaghetti.
He would wear a shirt like that. It
Cold
says-
spaghetti, cold spaghetti.
He does.
Spaghetti, spaghetti, spaghetti.
You guys ever eat sketty and butter?
Yeah.
Sketty and butter's pretty good.
No.
Notes.
Notes. I love erasing Miss Stooks.
Aw, he doesn't have an eraser. What's a fella to do? Just grab an Oreo from his Lunchable that his mom packed, put some hot glue on it, and then
Oh my
just
gosh.
smash it right into the page.
And boom, your mistakes are
worked.
gone.
That's what my mom calls me.
Hey,
Oh, that's
your
weird.
middle name too?
Dude, that looks like I gotta keep it PG. That looks like a really cool bracelet.
And Garrett has left the room.
Garrett has left the building.
Lock the door.
Please note, Mr. Period Beast does not condone the desecration of Oreos in such a manner.
Hey, you ever heard the saying flat as a pancake?
Yeah.
Well, it
Oh,
gets
yeah.
flatter than that as long as you use a metal plate.
Give me some pancakes, boy.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Well, technically, it's not a pancake yet.
Anvil.
It pretty much is a pancake.
It's a pancake.
Nah, you.
But I'm dummy thick.
I eat it all the time.
Oh,
Ew.
you gotta add you gotta add some milk in there to make them really fluffy.
Put some eggs in there.
Yeah, I was about to say you can put some eggs in there to give it a really good consistency. I mean, you can always go in raw with just water, but you won't get that really good rich flavor that you're looking for. You know what the best is? You sprinkle a little bit of vanilla extract into it.
Oh, yes,
Dude.
Queen. Tell me.
Yes.
Dude, you get vanilla flavored pancakes. It's so good.
I've never tried that. Can you make them for me?
Here's a drink delivery method not legal in every state.
You know what's awesome? them Pepsi. But you know who doesn't get to enjoy Pepsi?
Me.
Astronauts, because they don't have it up in space.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't have it anymore. A new law created said Pepsi wasn't allowed in space.
Oh man.
So what we're gonna do?
Let's fly it to him.
We're
It's
getting
almost there.
we're getting closer every day.
We're working out the formula still.
We've contacted Elon Musk. He said he wants nothing to do with the project, understandably. So I think the next step is to go to like a billionaire, right?
We're working with our local partners first, but I don't think it's really working out.
We might send some stuff into space though.
Easy cooking tip. For more crunchier eggs, leave the shell.
Dude, I love eating eggs, but they make me poop.
Everything makes me poop.
You know what makes me have to poop? When the web page doesn't respond. Hold on, we can't play the hack. All right, there we go. Wow, those are really good Walmart eggs. Walmart has the best eggs, I guess. They're probably not really good for you or anything, but they're cheap as crap.
Oh my gosh.
Why? Why are they like this? They anger me.
Get your act together, son.
I've never seen burnt eggshells.
Yeah, that looks weird.
This is like quail eggs now.
Oh yeah, baby.
Ew, gross.
You
Is
should
that
know that
necessary?
correctly.
Is it necessary to be that silly? Surprised he didn't smash the plate knowing them.
Grounding meat can be difficult. Make it 10 times harder on yourself with this quick, ineffective hack.
Ooh, that's a plump wiener right
Holy
there.
crap, that's an Alaskan bullworm.
Dude, that's a thick boy. You can't squish that.
Yeah, man. That's some good meat.
That's that premium meat. Okay, what was the point of using a knife other
This
than to
ain't
slice your
Arby's.
hand?
And that's how you make ground beef.
You know what wraps the outside of sausage?
Intestines.
Yes, sir. I've told you that, haven't I?
Yep.
Everybody learns something every episode. You know what chitlins are?
Yeah. Like some stuff.
No, chitlins are when you bake and fry pig intestines.
Intestines again, yay.
You guys remember when the creepers would get charged by lightning? Anyway, here's this.
Oh, what a creeper.
Run!
Whoa, that lit up fast.
Creeper has fallen in lava.
Oh, no, not his house.
That's all she wrote, boys.
No.
I don't really care what you call me.
You can't even call me.
Maybe. Oh, look at him.
The cop said, Mr. Potato Man, we need to run your plates.
Why are they doing this? Why do they have to make everything so dumb?
And he's gone.
All of that set up for that.
Mashed potatoes.
They have to avenge him.
Oh, it's potato baby. All right, well, that was pointless and dumb. All right, moving on.
I'm terrible at cooking bacon. I always add too much Flex Seal.
Not even gonna take it out of
we
the
gotta
package.
open it first.
Dude, that's good bacon. That's thick cut.
That's that good bacon, boy.
You make me hungry.
You like bacon?
Yeah.
You like your bacon crispy?
I do.
Well,
I like
there you
it
go.
extra
Do you think
crispy.
they could actually eat that?
More. More. Nah, they didn't do more.
Why? Because it has Flex Seal on it?
Have you ever wanted to eat bacon raw?
Nope.
I have this weird desire to eat raw meat. Is that normal?
I don't know.
Sure, man.
When
You're
you
a
look
man
at
of the wilderness, Chris.
when you look at raw meat, you guys don't just go like, I bet that would taste good.
No.
One of my friends, she opens a package and then we'll eat just raw hamburger.
I saw this video on Instagram. This dude is at the grocery store. He picks up a pack of raw meat, opens it, takes a bite out of it, and puts it back.
You gotta sample the raw meat, man.
I was like, what
Oh,
the heck?
gosh.
Ha ha ha, fan joke here. Man, I'm a really big fan of fan jokes. Ha 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 ha.
Ooh, this is gonna be cool. I'm interested to
Flexi
see what
fan.
happens.
I hope it explodes.
All right, so you've got your mini fan here.
Well,
scared of it.
Minifan's dangerous.
Ooh,
It's gonna be a flaming minifan.
oh, that's cool. Turn it on.
What? There you go. Now it's a heater.
And that is how heat works, guys. There's just a guy in the back of your AC unit, and then he sprays flaming Flex Seal in it, and then that's what heats your house. What if they had just thrown like flaming Flex Seal onto one of them? Oh wow, look at
Ew.
him. Now they're doing it on purpose with the thumb thing. We're not even gonna review his thumbs because he's doing it weird on purpose.
Dude, that's disgusting.
It does look like he has a problem though.
Step 1. Grab some ping pong balls and a giant magnet. Step 2. Drop the giant magnet onto the ping pong balls. Step 3. Stand in amazement as exactly what you thought would happen happens.
He doesn't like the smiley face was the
He's a
problem.
sad person.
Yeah.
He only likes sports because it reminds him that he's not alone in life. But he is, but...
I believe the magnet is gonna crush the ping pong balls.
Yeah, I wish they would just throw the magnet up. Oh my god, they
Ooh,
did.
whoa. Dude, that was like
That was good aim.
sniper aim.
That was good aim.
He's never done anything right except for this. He did
Yep.
something right.
Oh, can't play basketball with that anymore.
Or soccer.
Nope.
Well, darn, Gary, you must be a doctor. Or,
Well, yes, I am,
You were
Chandler.
wrong.
All right, now he's ruining it. I was feeling good for him, and now he's ruined it.
I wouldn't be surprised if a screen grab of this pops up on addictinggames.com.
Wait, that title says syringe toothbrush. I'm confused.
I believe that he's going to use toothpaste.
What?
Oh,
Put
no,
the
no,
head
no.
of the toothbrush in the
Yeah,
syringe.
yeah,
and then
put
he's gonna
the
squirt the
oh
toothpaste
my
through the
goodness.
brush.
But if this is a good prototype, honestly,
Yeah.
like somebody can make this.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Wow. Oh, I came out the bottom. him.
Imperfections. They can be worked through though.
Oh, look, he's back. I miss him.
Why does he have a toothpick in his mouth?
Because he's a hardened street criminal now.
He's a mafia boss level 30.
Are you in prison watching this on your contraband phone? Trade in those rocks for some pearly whites. We can help.